Did you know that there are two versions of this viral TikTok bag from Uniqlo? Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you the two versions of this viral TikTok Uniqlo Moon Dumpling bag, which is the round mini shoulder bag. This moon-shaped bag gained its popularity in 2022. Besides its simplicity and lightweight properties, the main reason for this hype is the capacity. This bag surprisingly fits a lot of items even though it is just a small bag. It was called the Mary Poppins Carry-All because of its magical ability to never run out of room. As a small bag that carries a large load, enjoy it as a hands-free everyday bag and perfect for travel companion as well. So now, let's start. So this is the new bag that I got. This is the first version that the Uniqlo released as their round mini shoulder bag, and this version was the one that got viral. And if you remember this one, this was a gift earlier this year from my husband as anniversary gift, and this is version 2. I specifically bought this to show you the differences of the version 1 and version 2 of this Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. So the first thing that I can see difference between the two bags, version 1 versus version 2, is the material that they have used. So this one is made from 100% nylon, while this one is 100% polyester. This 100% nylon is like a crumpled nylon. It has some texture to it, while the polyester version is like a smooth material. I also noticed that this version 1 feels that the inside lining of this one is a bit thinner compared to this one that looks puffier. So in version 1, if you look closely at this tube, you can see that this material is the same as this one on version 1, like a wrinkled nylon, while on the version 2, this tube that they have used is a different material to the outer material that is the polyester. When you look closely at the bottom of this first version, you can see that they have stitched bottom middle of the bag. At version 2, it doesn't have a stitching on the middle bottom of the bag. On version 1, it has one stitching, while on version 2, they have this like a box style, a rectangle box stitching on version 2. They use the same material on the sling. It is the same thing. Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag has the zipper pull that will look like this. You can see. So they have used the same thing, and also the zippers, same thing, which is the same color of the bag. So when we open the bag, it's open. So the same layout. So this side doesn't have any pockets. Same as the version 1. On the right side, you can see two slit pockets. And version 1 also has two slit pockets. We'll also see their tag on this side where the pockets are, same with version 1. So this label on the darker bags, I believe they use the black label, while on the lighter color bags, they use a white label. So this is now 100% polyester, while on version 1, they've used 100% nylon on this outer part of the bag. So this is just a simple bag. You can see that they have changed some of the features of the bag and some material like the outer part of the bag, while the design remains the same. Do you own this bag? Do you also own this bag? What can you say about the material of the version 1 versus the material of the version 2? Which do you prefer? Now I'm going to share with you some pros and cons. I've listed some things, some pros and cons for you. So let's start with pros. Number 1, they are lightweight. So they are very comfortable to wear because of their lightweight properties. Number 2, they're versatile. You can wear it multiple ways just by adjusting the sling. So if you adjust it to the smallest setting, it will become a shoulder bag. It will also become a bum bag. If you adjust it to a longer setting, it will now become a crossbody bag or a longer sling. Number 3, very spacious. This bag are very spacious bags. You can fit a lot of things in it even though it is just a small bag. Number 4, it is simple and discreet because it doesn't have any logos on the outer side of the bag. Number 5, it is affordable. And number 6, variety options. In their website, you can see multiple colors to choose from. They have new printed versions as well in case you want some fun designs. And they also released some corduroy material. And if you look at the round shoulder bag, the bigger versions of this bag, they have the material, the faux leather material. Just in case you wanted a bigger version of this one, it will come in the faux leather material. And it was hard for me to choose what con to list in this bag because I really love using this bag. But I was able to come up with three cons for you. Number one, it lacks additional organization pockets. So if you look outside, I probably would like to have an outside pocket, probably a zippered area right here or right here. Just an idea, just a thought. On the inside part of the bag, probably a zippered area on this area in case you want to hide some of your probably feminine products or money, a zippered area on this other side. Just a thought. Number two, it lacks key lanyard. I think placing the key lanyard would be very useful, probably on the outside or probably on the inside as well would be very helpful. And number three, the waterproof finish is not permanent. According to care instructions on website, do not wash, do not dry clean, do not tumble dry, only wipe gently with cloth dampened with mild detergent. The fabric is coated with water repellent agent so the effect lasts longer, but it is not permanent. So I wish the finish or the material itself is waterproof or water repellent, or I can throw this in the washing machine. Have you done that? Is that okay? Will it not damage my bag in case I do that? Please write on the comment section below in case you have done that, and that will be very helpful to everyone. So this is the review. This is a very detailed review comparison between the first version versus the second version of this round mini shoulder bag, the very viral TikTok bag from Uniqlo. Do you also own this round mini shoulder bag from Uniqlo? Which one do you prefer, the version 1 or the version 2? Do you have any questions? Please don't forget and don't hesitate to put it on my comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them and to chat with you. I'm really happy I was able to get the version 1 versus the version 2 to be able to share with you the differences, and I really hope this video was helpful to you as well. If you love beautiful yet affordable bags, be it simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, as some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.